stately and spacious 4-bedroom, 3.5 BTH, over 4,000 plus square feet, brick home located in the Bearden area of Knoxville. This stunning, freshly painted home offers a blend of modern updates and timeless appeal. Located in the highly sought-after Bearden area, this 2-story basement home boasts a spacious layout with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a large bonus room. The fully finished walkout basement area provides opportunities for separate living space if needed or home office, gym, additional bedrooms or large playroom. Main level just off the kitchen and family room area is a private, screened-in back room that offers a serene retreat for relaxing or entertaining. The home also features an oversized 2-car garage with an extra-large driveway area, providing plenty of parking for guests and family or RV. Recent updates throughout ensure this home is move-in ready, with modern finishes that complement its classic charm. Don't miss the opportunity to make this very spacious and well-maintained home your own. For more information, review the details below.